Hello students, our today's topic is relative velocity. Here you can notice that one word relative has appeared. Now the meaning of relative velocity is that two objects are moving, both the objects are moving, and we have to study the velocity of one object with respect to other object. Okay, so the definition of relative velocity is velocity of one object with respect to other moving object. Okay, we will understand it with the help of some examples. First of all, we will understand how to write the relative velocity. What is the term used for it? So students, we will always be taking here two objects which are already moving. So relative velocity of A with respect to B is written as VAB. Okay, the sequence matters. Sequence is important. In the same manner, relative velocity of B with respect to A, if we have to write, then it will be written VBA. Okay, so remember it this way: velocity of B with respect to A. This is velocity of A with respect to B. Okay, so the sequence is important. That only tells us that with respect to what we are studying. So with respect to object is always written at last. Okay, now example 1 I am taking to make you understand this relative velocity concept. Suppose we have two trains A and B. Okay, these two trains have started together from this position. They are moving in the same direction, and suppose the speed used by them is also same. Okay, A and B train have started together from this position in the same direction with the same speed. Now here we are interested in this thing, that what is the relative velocity of A with respect to B. Okay, this velocity which is written 30 meter per second, that is the velocity of A with respect to ground. Ground is stationary, and we are interested in finding the relative velocity of A with respect to B. So velocity means the two objects are changing position with respect to each other or not. Are they changing position? So just think about this example. Both the trains are moving together with the same speed. So they are always together. They are always together. Suppose at a later time I draw the diagram. So A and B are facing now also each other, because they were moving the same direction with same speed. So they are always facing each other. That means they have not changed position with respect to each other. They have changed position with respect to ground. They started from here, they have reached there. But with respect to each other, have they changed position? No. So they are considerably at rest with respect to each other. So the relative velocity of A with respect to B, okay, with respect to B is now 0 in this example, because they are at rest with respect to each other. Clear? So because both the objects were moving with the same speed in the same direction, they are actually all the time together. They are facing each other. They are moving, but they are facing each other always. They are looking at each other always. That means their relative velocity with respect to each other is 0. Now let us make a formula. How we got this 0 answer? Because it was also 30, it was also 30. We subtracted them. So the answer came 0. Okay, so the formula we can make it like this, that VA minus VB, if we do, we will get the answer. Okay, now let us take example number 2. Example number 2. Again I am taking two trains A and B. They are moving in the same direction, but suppose A is moving with 40 speed and B is moving with 30 speed. Think about this example. Will they change position with respect to each other? try to draw a picture after some time, okay, at a later time. So you see, A's speed is greater, B's speed is smaller, so A will be moving ahead, B will be lagging behind it, B will remain behind it, right? A is faster, B is slower, so A आगे निकल जाएगा, B पीछे रह जाएगा. Okay, so that means they have got a relative speed with respect to each other. Okay, they have got a relative speed. So what is the rate of change of position of A? Okay, what is the rate of change of position of A with respect to B now? Okay, is the A changing position with respect to B at 40 speed? No, because A is moving, B is also moving, but little less speed, at little less speed. So what is the rate of change of position with respect to each other? So again if we apply VA minus VB formula, you can see now VA is 40, VB is 30, so the answer is 10. That means now A will not run much faster than with respect to B. Okay, A is running at speed 40 with respect to ground, correct, but A is not running at 40 speed with respect to B. Okay, because B is almost following it, so they will be looking at each other, means they will be at little gap, and this gap will increase further and further as they will go ahead. Okay, so the speed, the rate of change of position means speed is now 10, so relative speed is now 10. So you see, we can repeat these two examples. Here the two trains were moving with the same speed. Okay, so the relative velocity answer came 0, because 30 minus 30 is 0. And when the speeds are different, then the relative speed is again the difference of 2. So 40 minus 30 answer is 10 meter per second. So the general formula for relative velocity of A with respect to B is, I am adding it here only. Okay, so if we want VAB, okay, relative speed of A with respect to B, the formula is VA minus VB. Okay, VA minus VB, subtraction करना है, subtraction we will do. Then suppose relative speed of B with respect to A is asked, what should be the change? Okay, now the change is VB minus VA should appear. Sequence is important. Sequence you cannot change. So it's very simple. If VBA is asked, VB minus VA. If VAB is asked, VA minus VB. Okay, now here we have understood the formula of relative velocity of A object with respect to B. Now the direction is also important of the two objects moving with respect to each other, how they are in same direction or opposite direction. So with the same formula VA minus VB, we will solve both the type of cases, same direction cases and opposite direction cases. I will explain you the technique of solving. Let us start numericals now. Note down all this concept. Let us understand our question number 1. Okay, question number 1 based on relative velocity. These questions are very easy. Carefully understand the technique. Okay, first of all we have to write all this information in form of a diagram. We have to show in the diagram. Two railway tracks run parallel in east-west direction. Okay, now we can suppose east is here, west is here. Just now only these two directions are needed. Two railway tracks we have drawn. Okay, along one track. Okay, train A moves. So train A moves with speed this from east to west. So this is train A direction. Okay, this is train A's direction. VA, that means train A speed is 30 meter per second. Clear? After that, while on the other track, obviously on the other track, okay, how the two trains can run on the same track. So on the other track, train B moves with a speed 48 from west to east. So from west to east. Okay, so train B. So VB is given 48 meter per second in the question. Clear? Now these are opposite direction cases. A is moving here, B is moving here. Opposite direction case, but we will apply the same formula. What formula? Relative velocity formula, VAB. We will always remember what? VA minus VB. Remember this formula, whether for same direction or for opposite direction. I will tell you the technique how we will apply this formula. Okay. First of all, this formula is mainly prepared for the same direction case. Okay. Same direction case. What we have to do in all such numericals, first of all, we have to prepare all the data in the same direction. Okay. Suppose, let's say, train A is moving from east to west. Let us write it here, from east to west. Train A's direction is 30 from east to west. Train B's speed is 48 from west to east. So this is from west to east, but we have to also make it in the same direction by putting a minus sign. Okay, if any speed is 48 from west to east, that means from east to west it will be minus 48. So in the new manner, actually we will be using the VB. Okay, now we will forget VB's this data. We will remember this data which we have prepared. Okay, so what you have to do, any one direction, in any one direction you have to solve the question. Okay, I have selected that I will prepare all my data from east to west. So VA already east to west में था, VB वेस्ट टू ईस्ट में था, इसे हमने ईस्ट टू वेस्ट में बनाया. कैसे बनाया? माइनस साइन लगा के. ओके, दिस वे वी विल प्रिपेयर. नाउ VA एंड VB, ये दोनों VA एंड VB सेम डायरेक्शन में है, इसलिए ये फॉर्मूला एप्लीकेबल है. ठीक है. नाउ लेट अस सी व्हाट वी आर आस्क्ड. फर्स्ट पार्ट इज कैलकुलेट रिलेटिव वेलोसिटी ऑफ B विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू A. सो आवर फर्स्ट पार्ट इज relative velocity of B with respect to A. That means we are asked VBA. Okay, we are not asked VAB, we are asked VBA. From this language, B पहले आएगा, A बाद में आएगा. VBA. Let us make its formula. VBA formula is what? VB minus VA. Let us put the values which we have prepared. Okay, so we have to use these two values only, VA value and VB value. Let us put now. VB is minus 48. VA is plus 30. So we have substituted. Answer is coming minus 78 meter per second from the direction in which we are solving the question, from east to west. Understood? Okay. So the idea is, as soon as you see any question, first of all, prepare all the data in the same direction. Any one direction you select. So east to west we have selected. VA was already in east to west, so no change in VA. VB was in west to east, so we have to make it from east to west by putting a minus sign in its value. Okay, we will be using VB always, this one which we have prepared. Okay, so first part of the question is solved. In this we get the proper minus sign. That means we clearly understand that east to west the velocity of the object is minus 78 meter per second. Okay, now the second part of the question is relative velocity of ground with respect to B. So how do we write it? Let us make it symbol. Relative velocity of ground, so G with respect to B, so VGB is the formula. Now according to this concept, VGB formula is always VG minus VB. Okay, now VG minus VB, so you should know the value of VG. What is the velocity of ground? 0. And what is the velocity of B? Velocity of B, now not this one, okay, which we have prepared, that only we have to use always. So we have prepared minus 48. So let us put its value here, minus minus plus 48 meter per second. So plus 48 meter per second from east to west direction. So this way we have solved question number 1. Note down this question. We are proceeding to the second question. And remember, in any direction you can solve the question. अगर मेरा आंसर -78 आया ईस्ट टू वेस्ट में, तो एक और आंसर पॉसिबल है +78 वेस्ट टू ईस्ट में. ओके, वी कैन ऑल्सो राइट दिस आंसर एज +78 west to east. Okay, here also we can write both in the second way also the answer. East to west answer is 48, so west to east answer will be -48. Question number second, we have now train A and train B, north and south direction of movement, speeds are also given. First question is the same which we solved, relative speed of A with respect to B. So first part is easy only. Let us first solve it. Then second part is little technical and new formula I will explain you for solving this second question. Let us solve the first question. Okay, train A. So let us prepare the data first. Train A is moving north. Okay, moving north means what? Moving north. So south to north. Okay, moves north means towards north it is moving. So its speed is from south to north. Speed is what? 54 kilometer per hour. Now VB it is written moves south. So you see, moves south means north to south. Moves south. South means what? North to south it will move. Speed is what given? 90. Okay. Now these are the datas. As I have told you, for solving the question, first of all, always we have to prepare the datas in the same direction. So let us select any one direction. Either in south to north will solve the question, or in the north to south will solve the question. So let us select south to north only. So our first data is okay. VA 54 ही यूज करेंगे साउथ टू नॉर्थ में, और VB को साउथ टू नॉर्थ बनाएंगे. सो VA 54 ही रहेगा, साउथ टू नॉर्थ है ऑलरेडी क्वेश्चन में. VB है 90 नॉर्थ टू साउथ में, तो साउथ टू नॉर्थ में कितना हुआ? -90. सो वी विल बी यूजिंग दीज डेटास, ओके, विच वी हैव प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर साउथ टू नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन. नाउ लेट अस सॉल्व द first case here only. First case, calculate relative speed of A with respect to B. So we will call it VAB. Formula is VA minus VB, and if we put the value VA, it is 54, and VB, it is -90. Okay, we have substituted the values. VA 54 and VB value is -90. You can see here. One minus sign is already going on because of this formula. So that means they are getting added now. Minus minus plus. So final answer will come 144 kilometer per hour according to the question. And the final direction is what we selected. So this relative velocity we have obtained in south to north direction, 144 kilometer per second. Now I am proceeding to the second part of the question, which is very technical. Till now we have understood the relative velocity of two objects. That means in the question, in any situation, A and B objects were there. Suppose in any situation there are three objects, A, B, C. So what is the interconnection of their formulas of relative velocities? It's this way, very easy. अगर तुम्हें फाइंड करना है VAB, okay, VAB, and the datas are given in form of C, third object. So what you need to do, you will just put C in between and you make this sequence. VA VAB is equal to VAC plus VCB. Understood? If any VAB you have to find, then just put a C in between, so that of what two factors it is the addition that we have to decide. So what should be the sequence? VAC plus VCB. This should be the sequence. So three objects के relative velocity का फॉर्मूला है ये वाला. अब इसमें भी ये ध्यान रखना है कि जैसे ही ये फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करें उससे पहले सारे टर्म्स, सारी वेलोसिटीज सेम डायरेक्शन में होनी चाहिए. Let us start now this question for this case. So remember this formula. Okay, I will give you one more practice. If you have to make the formula of VAC, so which is the third object? B. So what should be the sequence? VAC का आंसर क्या होगा? VAC का आंसर. This B we have just written it to make the sequence, otherwise it is not present here. Okay, so VAC sequence is what? VAB plus VBC. Okay, this, so VAC formula is what? VAC formula is what? VAB plus VBC. This way we always prepare the formulas for three object cases. Now let us start this question. In this part number second, a monkey. Okay, one monkey is running over the roof of train A. Train A. Against its motion, speed 18 km per hour relative to A. So find the relative velocity of monkey with respect to ground. So what are the three things in this question? Monkey, ground and A. Okay, monkey, M, A and ground. This way we have three things. Now we will see our target. क्या find करना है हमें? Relative velocity of monkey with respect to ground. So let us make now. Relative velocity of monkey with respect to ground. So we have to find VMG. This we have to find out. Let us make the formula for VMG. So we have to insert the third object. Our third object is A. So यहाँ A लिखना है. A लिखा. फॉर्मूला कैसे बनेगा? VMG का VMA plus VAG. This will be the sequence. Okay, VMG हमें find करना है. थर्ड ऑब्जेक्ट इस क्वेश्चन में A है, इसलिए VMA plus VAG फॉर्मूला प्रिपेयर हो गया. Okay, so now I am removing this A from here. Now this is the formula. This sequence is very important. Now we will put all that values which we know. So let us see. Let us take the help from the question. Velocity of monkey is given 18 km per hour. Now it is with respect to what? Relative to A. Relative to A it is given, and it is written it is against its motion. It is again A motion. A is moving south to north, so actually the monkey is moving from north to south. But as I told you, we have to prepare all the data from in any one direction. We have selected south to north direction. So if VMA is 18 in north to south direction, so south to north direction its value will be minus 18, which is of our use. Okay, so this we will use, this we will not use. So our data is minus 18, which we have to put here. Okay, let us start substituting here. So we were finding VMG. VMA is minus 18 because south to north only we have to solve the question. Now second data is, see, VMA we have substituted minus 18 in south to north direction. Second data is VAG, velocity of A with respect to ground. Now this VA means this VA. This is velocity of A with respect to ground only. If at the second place nothing is written, that means it is ground only. So VA or VAG are same. Okay, so it is 54 in south to north direction. So we will put here 54. Let us check the final answer. 54 minus 18. Let us solve it. 36 kilometer per hour in south to north direction. Okay, so this is the solution of this question in which three variables are appearing. Three terms are appearing.